Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your receipt on the McDonald's app. So, keeping track of your McDonald's orders is easy with the McDonald's application. In this guide, I will show you how to find your receipts directly within the app. Let's get started. First, open the McDonald's app and after launching the McDonald's app on your smartphone, ensure that you are logged into your account to access your order history. Now, tap on the More tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen, that is the three-dotted icon. Now, from the menu, select Order History to view your recent orders. Now, browse through your list of past orders, then tap on the one which you need the receipt. This will open the order details. Now within the order details, you will find comprehensive information including items purchased, prices, and the total amount. This serves as your digital receipt. Additionally, the app sends an email receipt to your registered email address after each purchase. So check your inbox for an email from McDonald's containing your receipt. And that's how you can find your receipt on the McDonald's app. Keeping track of your orders is straightforward, ensuring you have all the details at your fingertips. So that is how you find your receipt on the McDonald's app. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.